starts recharging. Please turn on self-cleaning. Start self-cleaning.
Got this amazing vacuum and mop combo. It came with a quiet 250 watt motor that spins 90,000 RPMs. So it's going to clean all types of surfaces, whether that's wood, tile, or carpet. You can clean whatever you need to clean with it. One of the great things about this vacuum is there's not going to be streaks or smells. And that's due to the steady stream of water that cleans the brush as you mop. It also has a self-cleaning and auto-dry function, which is absolutely amazing. So you have two tanks with this. There's going to be a clean tank, which is 20.30 ounces, and then you have a dirty water tank, which is going to be 18.6 ounces. So it also comes with an LED display. So when the water is low, it's going to let you know. It's also going to let you know when the tank or filter needs cleaned, as well as which cleaning mode is active. It also shows you the battery status. One of the great things is the battery is rechargeable. It recharges in 5 hours the first time and 3 hours after. And once the battery is charged, you can use this for up to 35 minutes of cleaning time. So just an absolutely amazing vacuum. We are so excited.